we're gonna do a video on how to install these things, these fans on my computer. This one is the best fan you could ever get, and then this one is this fan right here. Jake. Oh shoot, that's not supposed to be there either. Oh crap! I need to edit this. That looks even worse.
That did nothing. Turn on the flash.
What do we gotta do, brother? What do we gotta do? What's our next step?
So now that we have all our supplies, Jake, what do we do? I feel like you move these.
Oh, you move those?
Yeah, you move these.
Don't put them on the ground. Don't put them on the toilet. Leave them there. Leave them there. Leave them there. Jake, leave them there. Okay. Jake, leave them there. Oh my god.
Nothing's coming out. I don't know how to use this.
Just.
It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. So
Some
we
heroin stuff right there.
So we get our mixture, right? So far we got that. Now we get whatever this is.
Listerine. You don't know what that is, Jake? It's for your teeth.
I know what it is. You don't know either. You've never used it in your life.
I've never used it, but I know what it is. Why do we need this open?
I need something to open this.
Like what?
Dummy. You never know. Like some tweezers.
Jake, you're failing hard.
I know. I should.
Oh!
This is so bad. Where's the scissors?
I'm gonna sit down.
Where? No, let's try the hair comb, guys.
Hair comb.
Hair comb.
Jake, I have to comb my hair with that.
Shut your pie hole. Whoa.
What about what?
How about whatever this
That's
thing is?
Jake.
Doesn't work. Actually, where the heck is the scissors?
We open that. What's our next step?
Look
Jake?
at the plastic. So you get the plastic, right, man? So you put it in there for a little dazzle. You go. Oh, that's
kind of a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, you pour a little into there. Oh,
just pour the whole thing.
see, that's what you do. Pour
Yeah,
a little.
Jake, we can't re-pour that back in there.
Of course we can. And then you get like.
Jake, that was a lot.
See, and then you get like
more Listerine. Yeah, that sounds good. More Listerine.
See, and then you peel this.
What?
Okay, that. See, and then you get the green flavor. There's still plastic over it. Jesus Christ. Let's use the toothbrush.
Is it wet?
Doesn't matter. And I do not care. See, this is what you gotta do. You gotta pour it in there.
Wow,
it's not pouring in there.
Oh.
Got some green drops in there. Yes, yes, very yes. Go. Hey.
Pour it in the cup.
See, and then since that's not enough, this is.
Jake, no,
This is
that's
what you
enough.
This is what you gotta do.
Jake! That's a lot of Listerine.
And then you go
All
like
right.
this.
Okay.
And
Base it up. I actually use that.
I know you do.
Oh yeah,
See-
by the way, this is Acne Wash.
And you probably get some off-brand shampoo. Okay, this is hard.
This is not off-brand, by the
Dang
way.
it! Why did I put the plastic in there?
What plastic? Okay, now just stir it around with a Q-tip. Jake, just...
Ew, ew, ew. Ew. It smells really good. Ew.
Come on, Jake.
Oh.
We gotta do this fast.
Mufasa.
My face just got revealed.
You dropped my phone, you dummy! We're gonna, like, the cops are gonna be...
They're gonna be coming at us because this light, you know, this could be some thermal paste.
Or this can be, like, some heroin or something.
Do you even know what thermal paste is?
Nope, and I can't reach my hand all the way in there, and I choose not to. So this is what you gotta do. You gotta go to Swooperini. Look at that.
What is that?
I don't exactly know.
It looks disgusting.
I don't know
Wait,
what
let me see
but
that.
I still mix them together.
Oh, it's
So,
the green and the
let's
Ugh.
start. Okay. Get some
okay.
color
Stop,
into
Jake.
there.
That's a lot. Okay,
No, it isn't.
I'm guessing we have to stir it up.
Oh, yeah, you do the Hooperini. You're terrible at this. Get the right angle.
Yeah, sexy. I like that.
Don't.
My face, Jake.
I was recording your lips.
Oh.
It's recording your.
It's not like that.
You can cut this out.
Yeah. Oh, I thought
Whoa!
it was here.
You twerp.
Jake.
This is what you gotta do.
Hey, no. Okay. This is kind of a test for Jake to.
See, hey, look at me. This is my show.
It is. What about this? We forgot this.
Oh, yeah.
Shoot. Jeez. Okay.
Now just you get some of your hair gel.
Oh no. I need that. That's good.
I know you need that. Zoom, 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 zoom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Skirt, skirt.
So now what we're gonna do with this is what, Jake? What are we gonna do?
Skirt, skirt.
We're gonna skirt.
It's
skirt.
really zoomed in.
So what do we do with this now?
I don't exactly know.
Oh really? Then why are we telling? Why do we have to do this to our computer
I don't exactly know.
or to my computer?
Yeah, I don't exactly know.
Hey, the light did the weird thing again.
Yeah, I don't exactly know.
Jake, did you just? So we just did that. For what reason?
To fix our computer. What are you talking about? It smells terrible in here.
What even is this? Trash can.
Outside.
What do you mean?
Luke! my phone!
There's only like 4 cracks in it now instead of 3. So the next step, the actual step, put on some gloves after opening your case. Some latex or rubber gloves. These are latex, apparently, according to my friend, which apparently won't work, but he doesn't know anything, so you knew we were. Okay. Oh, I'm putting these on completely on the wrong. So our next step, open our package, which has these things on it.
Yeah, like just it does, huh?
Yeah, stop. Stop it. Okay. So now we only need one of them. I only need one of them. This one can go over there.
Why don't you look at that?
So we're gonna put it in that thing right there. Right there. You see that?
Whose kazoo is that, huh? That's a dope kazoo.
Yeah, that was the best kazoo I've ever seen. All right.
I'm
So,
very pretty.
Actually, we don't need to put this. We don't need to put that in yet, but we need to.
Oh, really? We don't? We don't.
No, we need to screw these fans out.
Ring around the rosy. Lucas, I don't like you.
Ah, Jake, stop. Stop. Just okay. I need to. Jake, stop. It's. I don't like you. Okay. Let me just put this over here. Just to pry.
You're very strong.
There we go.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
There we go. It's not on, Jake. It won't work.
I'll make it.
You can't. Stop. Stop.
I'll make it.
I'm gonna give this thing a cleaning. Move! Jake, you want me to put this down?
Oh, God.
Okay. So which fan you want to get out first?
This one!
That's not fan that.
Yes, it is.
Okay, stop.
I want this one!
Okay, stop.
You dropped it. You dropped it.
No, you dropped it.
You dropped it.
Where'd you put the other one?
You dropped it.
Something funny to do. Okay, well now we just gotta take that fan out the back over here. Jeez, I cleaned that like a couple weeks ago. It's already dirty. Jake, you're not supposed to flip that. Okay, so now we gotta get this fan out. Just screw it out. Also, you have to take off the back. You have to screw these out, and you have to have someone to catch. Stab you. So annoying. Oh shoot! Can you hold this? I meant the Stop doing that. I'm just going to do this. Oh shoot! I stripped it. Oh shoot!
Ha! Congratulations! You played
Oh,
yourself.
there we go.
Bro, you're blocking the view, bro.
That hurt my eyes.
Look at this wonderful hand.
Shoot. I need to get that out. Did you just poke me?
Ow! You.
Put that in the thing. Stop the video. So put this in there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna. Ow! God. Oh. Ow! Jeez! Okay, we're gonna take this out. Stop! Alright, now we're gonna flip the computer over. Oh shoot. Oh yeah, I forgot this was hanging. Oh.
God!
Where's that? Ow, jeez, cheek. Stop. Oh my. I'm sorry. So now we're gonna have to reorganize these cables after we cut. Oh, after we cut the zip ties that are holding these fans, your old fans. And
If you don't want your face to be shown, I would put the thing down lower.
and then what you gotta do is you gotta just like that. Yes, and put the
Don't
scissors.
forget, hold that. Nope, you're doing it wrong. Hold this and the wire. Grab the wire. Hold it. Now press up against the scissors. Hold that. And then that. You dropped it.
Oh,
Go.
okay.
Do you,
Okay. We have to okay. Pause it. Get rid of it. Jake, stop.
time to reroute some wires. Guys, why don't you look at that? Gucci material.
What?
Gucci, Calvin Klein.
You know, I probably should zip tie it,
Gucci,
huh?
Calvin Klein, Louis Vuitton, Gucci.
We won't
Calvin
need
Klein.
these Molex anymore. These Molex.
Dude, speak some English. I don't know what Molex means. Sounds like a wombat or something.
That's
Okay. Recording.
and
See,
then-
you get this Gucci, Calvin Klein, Louis Vuitton, Michael Kors computer fan.
And then you will find right here. There's an arrow. So
If you were not covering it with your finger.
shoot, which way does the goes in this way?
Lucas, the low. Oh my god. You're retarded.
It goes this way.
Yeah, of course it does.
It does.
See, then you cram it in there.
Oh yeah, cram it in there. Okay, stop. Stop! I recommend that when you do this, you don't choose your brother to do this with you. Stop! That hurt.
This kid is hotter than a chihuahua. Are you ready? Hey, buddy.
Hey, friend. Jake, I need you to stick. I need you to hold this still.
Lucas, look at your top left. Do you see anything particular?
In particular.
Uh-huh. There's no wire.
Where'd you put it?
I
Did you
crammed
put
it
back?
back.
Keep it out there. Okay, Jake, look, this thing is way better than you because it actually fits. You don't have to hold it, it just goes in. Stop!
Let's get those sick angles, bro.
Stop. I can. Its eyes hurting me.
Get those sick angles of you, bro. You like those angles, bro? Did it.
There is the end result. Look, we got the fans in, man. We got the fans in. No one you can't really see. Yeah, I'm editing my video right now. I just finished looking at it. Now I just gotta add this in, and then I'm gonna be done and I'm uploading this. So yeah.
Yeah, bye.